BMW M9 2026 is hands down the most insane, most breathtaking, and most jaw-dropping machine that has ever rolled out of BMW's factory. And here at Nitro Garage, we are fired up to bring you every single detail about this absolute beast of a car that is going to blow your mind completely. Welcome back to Nitro Garage, the place where passion meets performance. And today we are talking about a car that does not just turn heads. It stops traffic, it stops conversations, and it stops your heartbeat for a solid second when you first lay eyes on it. This is not just a car. This is a statement. This is a lifestyle. And this is the dream that every car lover has been chasing for years. The 2026 BMW M9 is the most ambitious and most powerful supercar that BMW has ever unleashed on the world. And from the very first glance, you already know that this machine means serious business. That dark metallic graphite gray paint is so deep and so rich that under direct sunlight, it literally looks like liquid metal flowing over perfectly sculpted body panels. Pull up to any stoplight in this car, and every single person around you is going to forget what they were doing because their eyes are locked on this machine and they cannot look away no matter how hard they try. The massive chrome double kidney grille up front is bold, aggressive, and absolutely iconic, with that M9 badge sitting right in the center like a championship trophy on display for the whole world to see. Those LED angel eye headlights are razor sharp and so intensely bright that driving at night feels just as clear and as confident as driving in broad daylight on a sunny afternoon. The carbon fiber front splitter and the brutally aggressive lower bumper give this car a fighter jet presence that makes everything else on the road look completely ordinary by comparison. From the side profile, the BMW M9 2026 is a masterpiece of aerodynamic design with body lines so clean and so perfectly flowing that the air itself seems to get out of the way before this car even arrives. The open-top convertible layout takes the luxury and the excitement to a whole new level, because when you drop that roof and hit the open highway, the sky becomes your ceiling, the wind becomes your co-pilot, and every mile feels like the best mile of your entire life. Those wide black multi-spoke alloy wheels fill up the wheel arches so aggressively that you know without a doubt this car was built not just to look fast, but to actually be dangerously fast in the most controlled and thrilling way possible. Step inside the cabin of the 2026 BMW M9 and you will immediately feel like you just walked into the most exclusive luxury suite on the entire planet. The diamond-stitched quilted beige leather seats wrap around you like a warm embrace that is somehow both incredibly soft and perfectly supportive at the same time. That massive curved widescreen digital cockpit display combined with the infotainment screen creates a technology experience that feels like something straight out of a science fiction movie. The M Sport flat-bottom steering wheel feels absolutely perfect in your hands, and the moment you grip it, a rush of pure confidence flows straight through your entire body. Carbon fiber trims, glowing ambient LED light strips, polished aluminum accents, and BMW logo embossed headrests all come together to create an interior that feels less like a car cabin and more like a rolling work of art. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW M9 is packing a twin turbocharged V8 engine that produces a level of power that will genuinely take your breath away the first time you plant your foot on the gas pedal. The 0 to 60 time is so aggressive it will pin you back into that beautiful leather seat before your brain even has time to process what just happened. That exhaust note coming through the dual quad polished chrome tips is not just noise. It is pure music for anyone who truly loves the sound of a performance engine singing at full throttle. Nitro Garage's final word on the 2026 BMW M9 is simple, and it is this: everything else is just transportation. But this right here is an experience that will change the way you think about driving forever.